Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com and welcome to another John Chow screencast. In this video, I want to show you the process I go through to schedule my blog posts and my video posts out into the future so I can make money while I'm on vacation. You see, by the time you get this video, I wouldn't be here because this video is being scheduled for the future. I'm actually right now, I believe I am in Disney World. Yeah, I just got back from my Caribbean cruise and right now I should be in Disney World by the time you get this video. So I guess this is a kind of an update to a driving video I did a while back on how I can make money while on vacation, and I talk about it. So in this video, I want to show you how I actually do it. So let's get to it. All right, so this is my blog. And you can see these are all the blog posts here, and you can see they all been scheduled. So today is actually December 20th. That's why I'm making this video, December 20th. But as you can see here, I have scheduled 20 blog posts, and the best way to see this is to show you a plugin that I use. It's called Calendar. And this Calendar plugin is exactly that. It gives you a calendar's eye view of all my blog posts. So you can see today is, actually my mistake, today is the 19th. And was it 19th or 20th? Actually, no, today's the 20th, my mistake. So this is today, today's the 20th, and this is today's post. And you can see here's tomorrow's post, and here's a post after that, post after this, 23rd. I have posts scheduled all the way until January 10th of 2019, of next year. So that covers all my posts, and they're all scheduled to go live at 5 a.m. in the morning, 5 in the morning. And I'm glad I'm looking at this because I see I actually have nothing here for January 4th. I must have missed this somehow. I have nothing here for January 4th. And this will be kind of cool because how I would add a blog post is show unscheduled draft. There you go. So right here, show unscheduled draft. This shows all the blog posts I have that's written by myself and my writers that is in the queue but hasn't been published. I can see there's a lot. I have a lot of blog posts. So if I want to add something here, I can just drag and drop. I can just take this, drag it right there, and boom. I can then just go like a quick edit and have this thing go live at 5 a.m. as well. And then set schedule and save. So now this blog post will go live on June 4th at 5 a.m. and then next day after that, and I have it until January 10th, which is great because I will be back on January 5th. So I'll be able to continue this. So that is how I do my blog post using Post Calendar. I'm scheduled until next year, so I'm fine. Now, for YouTube, this is a video I just done right here. Process has just been done. And so it's like anything else. You upload a YouTube video, you enter your description, you enter the title, you enter the description here, you add all your keywords, you upload a little custom thumbnail. This one is called How to Get Approved by Affiliate Networks. And then after I set all the settings, it says public. I have my choice of public, unlisted, private, or schedule. So I just choose schedule. In this case, I want this one to go live on the 28th because that's what I'm up to right now. I'm updating the 28th, again at 5 a.m. Pacific time, which is 8 a.m. Eastern time, so 5 a.m. And yeah, 28th, and then you'll hit publish for December 28th. And basically, that is it. So let's go to my Creator Studio here, my Creator Studio. So you can see these are all the videos I have scheduled. That's the one I just scheduled, 28th. And so this is tomorrow's video, 21st, and then 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 26th, 27th, 28th, and this will be 29th, 30th, and 31st. They're uploading right now. So these are uploading at the moment. Once they're uploaded, I will then add the title, add the description, the keywords, and then have them scheduled for those days. And then this video right here will be live on January 1st of New Year. So Happy New Year, everyone. Happy New Year. I hope 2019 is great for you. And but if you want to follow what I'm doing more in real time. Like I say, yeah, okay, that's great, John. I'm watching stuff that you made 10 days ago. What are you doing right now? If you want to see what I'm doing right now, then hey, follow me on Instagram while I'm on the cruise and while I'm at Disney World. I do more real-time stuff on Instagram. It's because Instagram is, take a picture, take a video, real time. So if you want to see what I'm doing, hit me up on Instagram at instagram.com/johnchow.com. But this scheduling feature that's found in YouTube and also found in WordPress is what allows me to make money while I am on vacation, because right now I am on vacation, but the videos, the blog posts, everything is going live every single day. So you have new content to read, you have new content to watch, and I'm relaxing I'm at Disney World with my family right now. So yeah. Anyway, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you like this little behind the scenes look. Give me your feedback. Tell me if you like this, and if you do, I'll do some more in the future, okay? So yeah, that's it for now. Happy New Year's, everyone. Please like and share my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.